Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
Alaikum salam.
My name is Sophia Udeen and I'm from Leamington Spa Jamaat. My question is it permissible to keep dogs in the home whilst they are being trained to become guide dogs for the blind?
Even if you are keeping dogs, guard dogs, yes, you can keep them. If you are keeping dogs for hunting purposes, yes, you can keep them. Guide dogs for blind, you can keep them. And for security, safety, protection, and for these purposes you can keep dogs, but not in your room, not in your bedroom, not in your drawing room, not in your dining room. Outside, you make a pen for them, and then you keep them there. You can take them along with you when you are going outside, for walk, but don't allow them to enter into your house. Okay?
Jazakallah Hazur.
No harm. Even during the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, come here, why you are going back? Even the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, the companion of the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to keep shepherd dogs. Those who were rearing cattle or goats, big herds. So they used to keep dogs there. And sometimes dogs will touch their clothes and bodies and everything, and they would never mind. Even sometimes it so happened that after touching the dog, or the dog has touched their clothes, they will come to the mosque, Masjid Nabi, and then offer their prayer there with those clothes. So we have become so strict, I don't know why. We think that dog is something which is very filthy animal. If you keep it dirty, then yes, you have to save yourself from it. Otherwise, all the animals are the same. Even cats and dogs and every animal. Okay? Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah Hazur.